Hello, this is Noah Nimmers, and today I'm going to be giving you a small tutorial on Snap. So first I'm going to show you how to create an account on Snap. So go up here, you got to click Run Snap now, and once you get into the template, you want to go up to the cloud, click Sign Up. Once you get to Sign Up, you need to fill in all this info. You can pause the video, and when you're done filling all this in, you can come back. Alright, so when you fill in all the info, you need to click I have read and agreed to the terms of service. Once you've done that, you then click OK. So now your account is created as it pops up here, and within the next 3 days you need to verify your account. How you do that is you go to your account, your email that you put in, and you have to verify it. You should receive an email from Snap, and you should be able to click on it and verify your account. And once you've done that, you should be able to save all of your work and share it with others. Alright, so now that you have an account created, I'm going to show you some pre-made games and how they work. So we're going to play Snake, and this is just a simple game that someone has created with Snap, which you could actually possibly make by looking at the code and copying it, I guess. So if you want to see how this game is created, you click on these two arrows right here, and it pops up all the code and all the sprites you've used and all of that. So you can even edit all of this if you'd like. They let you actually go into it, like you could change the background or change the sprites or do whatever you'd like to change it. Alright, so now that I've showed you how you create an account and look at pre-made games, you can now start going into your own template and trying things yourself. So first I'm going to show you how to find a sprite. How you do that is you click on this little file up here, and you go down to costumes, and it should pop up hundreds of sprites. There's plenty of sprites that you can choose from. There's buildings, people, cars, you name it, it's in here. So I'm gonna choose Champ 39, and as you can see, now it's been imported into the template over here. You can also create sprites. How you do that is you go to the paint brush and use all these tools to create your own sprite. So you can use that, you can use shapes, you can do whatever you like to create your own sprite. So after you're done creating whatever you want, you can just click OK. And you can't really see it here, but now your sprite is in there, and it's just your own sprite. After your sprite, you usually want to find your background. So I'm going to show you how to find your background. How you do that is you right click on the back of the photo or the template where it's white, and you click edit. There, it then switches you from sprites to backgrounds over here, and you just go up to this file over here, and instead of costumes it now says backgrounds. It then shows up plenty of backgrounds for you to use, and for this one I'm going to use a brick wall, and it should pop up as a background back here. And then for also you can create your own background if you want, like you could with sprites. So you can do whatever you want with it. I'll just make a small little face sort of thing, and then we can fill the back with this, just like that. And now that's my background. So that's how you create sprites and backgrounds and all of that good stuff. Alright, so now I'm going to show you what all of these blocks do and what they do to the sprites and stuff like that. So right now we're in the motion section. The motion section is what moves your sprite. This is how you get your sprite to move and do things you'd want it to do. The next section is looks. This is how you switch costumes, do whatever you want. You can actually make them like have a conversation with someone else, and you can make them do whatever they want or think about whatever they want. The sound is self-explanatory. You can play random sounds. They have sounds on Sprite or on Snap, and you get to choose how long they are for and all of that. The pen, you can choose a sprite, and what it does is when you move the sprite, it actually leaves a mark or a line or something like that if you create a certain code to do it for. The control is how you start everything. So like, for example, this is the when flag kicked or clicked. You click up here and it starts your code that you put down here. And you can also repeat stuff and make stuff go forever, whatever it is. The sensing is it's sort of more advanced, but it's when like you can make it so like if there is a red dot over here and I told this red to move 10 steps, if it moves 10 steps and it clicks a red dot, it could change that dot to like blue or whatever, but that's more of the advanced stuff. The operators and variables is more when you get into advanced Snap and when you've used it for a while, but it's sort of hard to explain, but both these two are more advanced and more complex.
Alright, so now you guys know how to create your work and do all of that after you're done doing your script or creating whatever game or conversation you have. You obviously have to save your work. So how you do that is you should have verified your account and you should be logged in already. And after you're done with your work, you want to go to the cloud up here, or not the cloud, I'm sorry, the paper file. And you go down to save as. Once you get to save as, you save it as whatever you made. So let's say you made a dragon, for example, or whatever you made. You just name it that, and after that you just simply click on save and it's saved. So next time you come in here, you should be able to go here and you should be able to open it, and it should be down here and it should appear right here. But that's all I have for you guys today. You guys know some of the simple things for Sprite, and I guess I'll talk to you guys next time. Thanks for watching.